Pentair Flotec FPOF 360 AC is a powerful transfer pump that can move up to 350 gallons of water per hour. This pump can be handy when removing rainwater from inside a boat, or for removing water from a clogged sink or bathtub. To showcase how effective this powerful pump is, we will show you the steps required to prepare the pump, and then demonstrate the pump in use. When using the Pentair Flotec FPOF 360 AC, it is important to make sure the pump is lubricated before each use. Review the quick start guide for instructions. Mineral or vegetable oil in a squirt bottle is a simple technique. To begin, identify the in and out labels on the connection ports of the pump. The side marked in will be your suction side, and the side marked out will be your discharge side. We will begin with the discharge side. Using a standard garden hose, which is not included with your purchase, hand thread the hose to the out port. Make sure the discharge hose is routed to the location you want to move the water to. With the discharge attached, we can now attach the suction hose. First, make sure that the provided suction hose washer is seated in the female end of the suction hose. This will ensure a good tight seal. With the washer in place, attach the suction hose. If you are having issues getting the threads to seat correctly, start by using counterclockwise rotation, sometimes referred to as back threading. Once you feel the threads align, use clockwise rotation and hand tighten. No tools are required. Using this technique helps avoid cross-threading or damaging the port threads. With the suction hose connected, we can now prime the pump. To prime the pump, simply fill the suction hose with water. Lubricating the impeller and priming the pump before each use will help to extend the life of the pump. The Pentair Flotec FPOF 360 AC offers two different suction options: the puddle scoop for shallow water and the suction strainer for deep water applications. For this tub of water, we will start with the suction strainer. When dealing with murky or unclean water, the strainer will help keep debris from damaging your pump. With the suction hose placed in the water, turn on the pump by plugging it into a 3-prong grounded outlet. As you can see, the water begins to evacuate the container. As the water gets lower, we can change to the puddle scoop to continue pumping. It is important to remember that pumps are not vacuums, so not all of the water will be removed. But as you can see, we have removed a large amount of water in a short amount of time. Be aware, the sound of the pump will change as the water level becomes low. To stop the pump, simply unplug it from the outlet. The Pentair Flotec FPOF 360 AC is a great little pump with a lot of punch for its size.